Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with the latest from Adornit. There are a lot of new stamps at Adornit. Everything, including the latest recipe stamp of the month and add-on, is available a la carte in store right now. So you don't have to wait to get this one. But you can join the recipe stamp club. You'll be the first to get the recipe stamp each month, okay? Let me go over all the goodies. So it's a Valentine themed one. The recipe stamp of the month is Cupid's Crunch. Isn't this fabulous? It even comes with its own stitch detail. All you have to do is just cut the cardstock around it. This is not a full 4x6 stamp. So the stamp itself is 5.5-inch tall by 3.5-inch wide, okay? So this will fit on an A2 card, or if you want to make an A2 recipe card, or slip it inside of an A2 card. Have something else on the outside and then have this on the inside, or maybe tie it with a tag and put it on the Cupid's Crunch mix. So you would use Chex Mix, mini pretzels, white melting chocolate. You could make a really nice thing with this and put it in a jar and tie this on the recipe. That'd be really sweet. Or go with this now, the add-on. This is the add-on stamp club. You have the option to include the add-on to your recipe stamp every month, okay? This is really sweet. So you could also just do a little circle tag that says handmade with love and with a little heart in the center. Here's a little cupcake with a little heart for Valentine. This is a great decorative detail. If you put this on a tall tag, you could stamp it here, stamp it here. That's really fun. Here's a nice little title. You're so sweet. Here's a treat that could go to the top of this, and then Cupid's Crunch. Lots of fun with this. And then here's a little arrow detail. This little heart here measures 3.5-inch. This coordinates perfectly with this. Love. So it's Cupid's Crunch, Cupid add-on, okay? Still winter and a lot of snow going on. I hope you guys are keeping toasty. Here is something to help you keep toasty. This is the November recipe stamp of the month, available a la carte. Hot chocolate mix. So you could put together this whole mix. Again, another jar. It could be Cupid's Crunch, hot chocolate mix. If somebody gave me both of them, happy. 3.75 inch wide by 5 inches tall. So it's a little bit smaller. Here is a heart detail. You could continue the trend, bringing in this down here and above as well. That's a great little heart detail. And then this is the recipe stamp add-on. Look at this with the gingerbread and the little mug. Gingerbread has now transcended just being for the holidays. You could have gingerbread all year round. This could be a Valentine gingerbread because there's a little heart. We are in winter. So cute. The holly, you could replace that with a little flower die on top and just extend it. I always like to think outside of the box with something like this because this is just too adorable. Candy cane, you could turn that into a Valentine candy cane. Also for Valentine's, there are 3 sets. These are a la carte and available in store now. There is a 6x8 stamp, 2 4x4 stamps. I'm looking forward to playing with all these goodies. Valentine mug stamp. Look at this. This is adorable. This is the girl mug. This is the boy mug. Here's his little bow tie. I like the heart cheek and the heart lip. So cute. This is 3.3 inch wide by 2.25 tall. You get another heart. Great detail to stamp everywhere. This little heart garland. That's fun. Can be used all the time. This is so sweet. There is love coming out of here like a steam love. And then there's also a Be Mine. This reminds me of the mugs that released last year. I'll link my video here so you can see all the details that can stamp perfectly above each mug. Here is just a steam with hearts, but no sentiment. Super cute. Valentine mug stamp. And lastly, 2 sweet 4x4 stamps. Here is the Perfect Kitty stamp and the Puppy Love stamp. So Diane is covering both the dog lover and the cat lover. And all these stamps are designed by Dianna Marcum, okay? She has a great vintage feel that has continued and has exceeded time. It's really, really sweet. I love these images. Look at the little dog and the little girl dog. Look at this little puppy love with the heart. The image itself is 3.5-inch tall by 3.75 inch wide. Perfect Kitty. You're perfect. 3.75 inch wide by 3¼ inch tall. Perfect Kitty stamp, Puppy Love, Valentine, Winter Fun from November, and also Cupid's Crunch and Hot Chocolate Mix. I'm going to stamp all of these out. I am going to be going to a swim meet for my daughter. I'm going to take some of this and have some fun. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Until the next video, check out everything at Adornit. Lots of Dianna Marcum stamps. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye!